Hello everyone, welcome back with the good news. The NPM version that you were using to create a React app or to do different things using the NPM version that has got updated recently. So the current NPM version that we are right now on is 8.19.0, which is the updated version. So if I go to the terminal and check for the current version and write npm space -v, and you can see this is the current version, which is 8.19.0. so this npm version got updated on 31st August. If I go to the GitHub repository of npm, you can see this got updated on 22/8/31, and these are the features, documentations, dependencies that got updated recently. Now how can you update the npm package? So for that, if you go to the terminal and there is a certain command to update that, and if you write that command, it's easy and it will get updated directly. So the command is npm space install space -g npm. This is it. After pressing the enter, your npm version will get updated, and it will get updated to the present updated version, which is 8.19.0. That's all for today. I hope you guys are doing well, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.